Hi guys! Alright, I have a special friend today. Do you know who this is? He still has a stain on his hand. This is one of my favorite characters. His name is Pete. He is Pete the cat. And he usually has some groovy things to say. So we are going to read one of his books today. Pete the cat. I love my white shoes. You remember? This is the cover. Spine. Back. And this is, the author is Eric Litwin. And the illustrator is James Dean. Do you know what an illustrator is? An illustrator is who drew Pete the cat and drew all of the stuff inside the book. And the author is who wrote the words. That's pretty cool, huh? Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. He's got his guitar. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of, what do those look like? Strawberries. What color did his shoes turn? Red! Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. What's his song? I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did his shoes turn? Blue. That's right, blue! Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. What was his song? I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did his shoes turn? You see what color is that? Brown! Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing a song. What's his song? I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Look at that. I like that. Pete's drinking coffee. Miss Lindsay loves coffee. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large bucket of water. All the brown, all the blue, all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes? What? But they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. What's his song? You guys remember yet? I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. The moral. of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. I like Pete because he just keeps walking along no matter what. He just keeps moving on with his day. Because it's all good. That's the end of our book. And now you've met Pete. Pete is one of my favorite characters. And I have more characters that you get to meet as I read more books. But this one is awesome, and he's got lots of books. I'm excited to read them to you. We will see you again soon. Bye, guys.